Good day, please introduce me yourself.
My name is Marilu T. Rabago. I'm 34 years old. I'm single. I live in Cansalan, San Mariano, Isabela. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. I'm high school graduate at San Mariano National High School.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
I work in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months, and with a couple with a 2 children of age is 5 years old and 3 years old. I can do cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, car washing, and the main duty is I'm taking care of the baby. And also I work in Oman as domestic helper with one couple with a 2 children. The ages is 4 years old and 2 years old. I can do cleaning, ironing, car washing, and cooking, and main duty is taking care of the children.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing safety of the children. When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to help my family, especially my parents.
Okay, if you get hired, who will take care of your children?
I don't have children.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my work and remind myself I need this job for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done, and wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes.
Okay, so do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Okay, do you promise to finish your contract?
I promise to finish my commitment.
Okay, can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I willing to learn.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. Good day, sir and ma'am. I hope you select me as your helper. I'm hardworking and honest and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.